Hey guys, it's Andrew.
And Aaliyah.
From Counting Line Adventures. We're going to do an unboxing of this product we're super excited about. Hopefully it's going to help us get some extra video, some good video. We have awesome cameras, video cameras right on our phone that kind of in certain situations you want to film your hunt. That's kind of what we're looking at. I wanted something that was going to mount right on the bow or the crossbow. This here is a crossbow version, but I was in talks with Painted Arrow Outdoors. You can find them, paintedarrowoutdoors.com. They're on Facebook, Instagram, all the normal socials, TikTok. They have a podcast as well. You can find on Spotify with like 130 some different episodes. Anyway, they made a great product that, at least looking at the other videos, reviews, looks super solid. We're going to unbox it here. There will be a separate review video once we get some footage and stick it on there, and we'll see how it goes. Just, you know, you guys love unboxing videos, so go ahead, Lee. We cut up or cut it open. It's a nice little box. Relive the hunt. So that's the idea. You can capture. When I was talking to, I believe it's Nate and Devin, sorry, at Painted Arrow, my concern at where we're going to hunt at is there's a bunch of guys on there. We have a chance for velvet buck in urban season. And trees are very select, like there's not very many. It's really overgrown. I'm not sure the trimming, shooting lanes and stuff. I don't believe you can do that, and there's some other stands there that, so once they throw up a stand, you're that's where it's going to be. So I didn't want, if I'm going to use from a saddle, different trees and limited opportunity, I just wanted to have everything right there, focus on taking the shot. If you film hunts in the past, you know that sometimes trying to get the camera set, you're you could spook the deer, you could just have to wait longer to get it in the right frame, or all that stuff's fine and fantastic. That's what you want to do, but I just this time wanted it right there, as simple as it could be. And when I found these guys online, it just as simple as it's going to be. So there's their cool emblem. You look online, they have some partnership with Hunting Public. They have a cool one on the THP website too. But anyway, it's going to mount right in line with your scope. There's some of the mounting stuff. This was actually has the scope mounts. Now, looking at it, and I guess maybe my fault, or maybe it's not real clear on any of the stuff, I thought it used the scope mounts that you already have, even though it comes in two different sizes, so I don't know why it didn't quite click for me. But anyway, you use the new scope mounts. You can put this on there, and then your phone, you're just going to be able to slide right in and out. Magnets on the back right here. I think it's easy. I don't know how you can make this any easier and simpler. We're going to test it and have it out there. So, I mean, it's secure, so that's awesome. We're going to throw it on the crossbow and show you what it looks like on there, and then we'll kind of wrap that video up, unboxing, preview, tell you what we're doing. So they did send us a product, and we're just going to give a review, tell you what we think, but everything I've seen about it looks like it's really going to be awesome. Relive the hunt. The Mag Pro they have for crossbows and for compounds. You can look that up. They have a bunch of other products too. They have like a mount, filming mount with like an arm and all kinds of stuff like that. So I think that would be cool to try too. But here it is for now. We're going to throw it on and come back for the full review. And thanks for watching, guys. All right, there's our Barnett XP380. We're just going to pull this scope off and those mounts and put on the Mag Pro. All right, so we got it installed there. we'll show you here in a second. We'll change phones and show you how it sticks on there, but just goes right on the scope mounts. That's all there is to it. You can put your, as they say, one of the most important parts. I could have trimmed that down. I didn't, probably should have, but I didn't. So anyway, help with vibration. So we'll show you a shot here. Just on the target, the limbs on Crossbow blew up, so it was gone for over 2 weeks, and we're just getting it back, so we haven't had any field shots with it yet. I got a little bit of footage I'll show you with some does from this morning, but like I said, we'll do a review video and at a later time add some of those kill shots on there. So there's the painted arrow, magnet on the back, just easy, snap it on there, take it off. I've used it in the field up until that. Actually had days right below me when I noticed the limbs were splintered, so I couldn't shoot. But anyway, so simple. Put it on there and you're ready. So what I'm gonna do, I got my makeshift stand here with the trash can. We'll insert this video here in a second. I think we're shooting slightly high with these when it came back from the bow shop. So let's see what we got. Probably need to change it. Switch the safety off will help. So yep, slightly high. Zoom in and show you there. All right, so we'll put that video in there you just seen, but thanks to the guys at Painted Arrow for sending the product over. I think it's a great product. You can also use it on your compounds, and just go check their website out. We'll be doing a review video of what we actually think rather than just unboxing, but it's simple. It's a magnet on the back of a phone. You hit record and there you go. So thanks to those guys. Check them out, paintedarrowoutdoors.com, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.